Welcome to Freshteam, the recruiting software to help you find, connect with, and hire great people in an easy and fast manner. Stay on the lookout for great sales executives to help you convert more prospects into happy customers. Now you can go looking on sourcing sites such as LinkedIn or Indeed, like most people, or you can let these awesome sales executives know that you're looking for them through your careers site. We do that by creating a job posting. Step 1 is titling that job opening, and I'm typing sales executive. There's a free job description template for sales executive that you can customize to suit your company. There are actually 50+ job descriptions available in Freshteam for a range of positions. You can modify them if you want to. There's a range of rich text formatting options open to you as well. Now, once you have your description, next step is telling the candidates where the job position is. Freshteam supports multiple locations, so if you have offices around the world, you can just map the jobs to the office locations. You can also specify job type, skill set, and experience required for the position. Once you do, it's time to hit publish and introduce your job posting to the world. Every Freshteam account comes with a career site, which candidates can use to check out your job openings and apply to them using an application form. When an applicant fills out the form and applies with their resume, Freshteam can automatically parse it for you. Or you can choose not to have that option, whatever works for you. Now, let's go back to the other screen. Apart from posting your job on your career site, you're going to want to have to take your opening to where your candidates are at, job boards. Freshteam has free job board integrations with Adzuna, Glassdoor, ZipRecruiter, and LinkedIn. One click, and you can push your opening to their platforms. There are a few other ways to add candidates to job postings. You can import them if you have them in a handy zip file. You can also add candidates from your database, what we call a talent pool. Every time you create a job posting, Freshteam will retrieve archived candidates from your talent pool and match them to the job that you're hiring for. Now, what if you want to share the URL in a few public places, but also want to make sure you're tracking where the candidates are coming from? You can generate a custom tracking URL with a tagged source and medium so that Freshteam can correctly identify what link a candidate used to apply. You can also receive applications via email. There's a job-specific email address for every job posting. Social sharing is an option as well. You can share jobs on Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, and Google+. We've already covered career sites and job boards, so let's move on to vendors. A vendor is a sourcing partner who can add applicants to your accounts, if you give them access. And now for the good stuff, your hiring workflow, specifically your hiring team and process. You can specify at a job level who the recruiter is, who the panel members are, and the hiring manager. By default, the one who creates the job is the recruiter. Once you're done configuring the hiring team, you can move on to configuring the processes. That is the stages a candidate has to go through. This is the default hiring process. You can add as many stages as you like. For instance, if you wanted a reference check stage, you can drop it in here. Next up is the interview scorecard. Interviewers can use the interview scorecard to rate candidates. You can, guess what, add or remove questions from the scorecard. Based on recommendations, a score is assigned to a candidate. And then there's Autopilot, aka workflow automations. Autopilot lets you automate your daily workflows so you can get other work done. Let's set up a workflow. Say you want Freshteam to automatically send an online test to all candidates as soon as they click apply. Then I choose the event such as candidate gets added to the job. This condition would be stage name set as open, which is the first stage of your hiring process. And the action would be send test. You can choose any test provider that you've integrated with Freshteam and pick a test. You can have the hiring team notified when someone gets sent a test and anyone else who might want to know. You can also notify the candidate that there's a test coming their way. That's all, folks. You can set up custom workflows for every job posting you create so that you don't have to spend time doing the transactional work like this. Oops, I almost forgot the application form. Here's how you customize it to make sure you're asking all the right questions. It's an easy drag and drop, so you don't have to spend much time modifying it. Now that's about it as far as configuration is concerned. Let's check out our candidate pipeline. Here are the job postings I have in my account. That's a huge bunch. I'm gonna pick one at random. There. I have 10 applicants for security officer. Let's check them out. Freshteam displays candidates by hiring stage, so you can do a quick scan and immediately see the status of every candidate. This is Pranav's profile. It's a bird's eye view of his resume, his experience, his education, his everything. Freshteam passed his resume to populate the fields. You can also edit the past data in case of any errors. There's a Conversations tab where you can see the emails that have been sent to applicants and what they've sent to you. You don't have to go to your inbox at all. It can be synced to Freshteam. Emails can be made private so that they're visible only to you and the candidate. They also don't have to be written entirely from scratch. You can use canned responses and even reuse templates. Next up, I'm going to walk you through scheduling an interview. You can integrate Google Calendar and Office 365 with Freshteam. Apart from this, you can also create tasks and reminders for yourself or anybody else. Let's say you want to remind a colleague that you should complete the reference check by end of day. You can add that in here and just assign the task to your colleague. Of course, things always don't work out. Sometimes you have to reject candidates. In Freshteam, you can record reasons, so if you have to pull the report later, you can. You can also choose not to reject the candidate, but archive them to the talent pool and look them up in the future. Let's take a quick look at my emails. Our Conversations tab is divided into frequently accessed sections. Your emails, the team's emails, and emails received by any careers email address that you have added to your Freshteam account. And then reports. You can see reports across various functions, right from job postings to talent management. Take this pipeline report, for example. You can break it down using filters any way you like. Freshteam also has a pretty great search feature, if we say so ourselves. You can search for candidates, employees, jobs, tasks, and Freshteam will check everything, including past data from resumes, to pull up the right links for you. That's all, folks. Feel free to write to us at support@freshteam.com. We're always happy to help. Happy recruiting!